Begin with the crust, the foundation of any great pizza. Start by dissolving a single packet of dry yeast in 1.5 cups of warm water. Stir in a pinch of sugar to feed the yeast and let the mixture sit for about 10 minutes until it's frothy and bubbling. While the yeast mixture sits, combine 3.5 cups of bread flour with a couple of teaspoons of salt in a large bowl. Once the yeast is ready, pour it into the flour and mix until a dough forms. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 5 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it with a clean kitchen towel, and let it rise in a warm place for an hour. The dough should double in size, indicating that the yeast has done its job. While the dough rises, let's turn our attention to the sauce. In a saucepan over medium heat, cook a finely chopped onion and a couple of cloves of garlic in a drizzle of olive oil until they're soft and fragrant. Add in a can of crushed tomatoes, a handful of fresh basil leaves, a sprinkle of salt, and a splash of red wine. Let the sauce simmer for about 30 minutes until it's thick and rich. Once the dough has had a chance to rise and the sauce has simmered to perfection, it's time to crank your oven up to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Then get to work on shaping your dough into the pizza base of your dreams. Next, slather a liberal dose of the sauce onto the dough, ensuring it's spread evenly. Follow this with a sprinkling of shredded mozzarella cheese. Now it's time to add your favorite veggies and create a colorful masterpiece. Dive into the process, take in the aromas, and enjoy every moment of this culinary journey. The best part is when you get to savor the crispy, cheesy, flavorful result. After all, cooking is not just about the destination, it's about the fun and satisfaction you get along the way. So here's wishing you happy cooking. With the oven working its magic, the aroma of your homemade pizza begins to waft through the air, creating an atmosphere of anticipation and excitement. As the timer rings out, signaling the end of the baking time, put on your oven mitts and carefully remove the pizza from the oven. It's a moment of triumph as you gaze upon your creation. The golden crust, the bubbling cheese, and the perfectly cooked toppings. Let it cool for a few minutes before slicing into it. Now comes the best part. The taste test. Take a bite, savor the flavors, and enjoy the satisfaction of having created this culinary masterpiece from scratch. Take a moment to appreciate the effort you've put into making this pizza. It's not just about the end result, but the journey you took to get there. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate homemade pizza, crafted with love and care. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family who might also enjoy making their own pizza. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Remember, cooking is an adventure, so have fun with it. Until next time, happy cooking.